everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm really excited because we're headed out thrifting for the first time in months. I haven't been to the thrift store really since it all closed down, so I hope the store is filled with things that people were getting rid of during this whole time at home. So I thought I would take you guys inside today to show you 5 different things that you should really be shopping for at the thrift store. The thrift store has the best prices, they have really good quality pieces, and they just have so much selection. You'll always find really unique things for your home at the thrift store. People always give away really high quality products that they might not need, but you probably need. So it's a really fun place to look for things. I think this video will really help anybody that's on a tight budget with their home, that really needs to save money when looking for home products. The thrift store will be your best friend. So anyways, let's get inside and I'll show you guys exactly what you should be looking for your home at the thrift store. So if you're looking to do any kind of renovation around your home, a little update to a space, they definitely have a whole section of hardware and metal decor. So these pieces are perfect if you're trying to update a space on a very strict budget. I found 2 of these towel racks for $2.99 each, which is just crazy. That is such an amazing price. It's a beautiful brass bar, but it could easily be spray painted if this finish doesn't match with your space. So that can always change. You kind of have to look past that when you're at the thrift store. They also have like really industrial looking ones, just so many things that can be used to update a bathroom, like this toilet paper holder and even this amazing brass faucet. Look at this. This was $14.99 and it's just something that you would never think to pick up at the thrift store unless, you know, you're told that these things are there. So they have so many great things, like even plates to put over your light switches for $3.99, hardware for your dresser and your cupboards, and door handles. So all of these things really add up when you go buying them for a renovation. So if you can buy pieces like this at your thrift store to cut costs here and there, it will definitely make a huge impact to the overall budget and look of your space. You can find brand new products like this as well that are fully in the package, so you don't always get used things at the thrift store. Some things are just given away. I think these would look really nice if they were refinished, maybe with some black spray paint, but they sell so many in a pack with all the little screws that you need, so it's not like you're just getting a bunch of stuff that you can't really use. So definitely check out the thrift store if you're looking for any kind of thing to renovate or update a space. They have all of this amazing hardware there. Obviously, depending on what store you go to, you'll find different things, but I feel like I hit the jackpot on this trip to the thrift store. Another thing I consider essential is baskets. You can use baskets in all areas of your home to organize, to decorate, to add texture. I found really beautiful baskets here on this trip to the thrift store. This one here is $2.99 and this would just be beautiful on a dresser, up on a wall, really to add that nice texture to a space. I also found 3 of these square baskets in perfect condition and snagged those before anyone else could. Usually the basket section is filled with these more Easter basket looking baskets, but I can use those for gifting. I love creating gift baskets out of them, or you can look past the handle and cut it off and use the basket base. But shopping for baskets at the thrift store will save you so much money because baskets are becoming more and more expensive these days. This is the place to get them. Another thing that every home needs are mugs. Whether you're a tea drinker, coffee drinker, whether you like to collect really funny looking mugs or you like uniform looking ones, they have both at the thrift store. I found this set of 4 for $7.99, which is such a great price for an entire matching set. You can create a coffee bar really easily out of these mugs, and they're all in perfect condition. There's so many different styles, and I think they're just really great to have on hand. I know mugs are such a small thing in the grand scheme of an entire home, but it is something that I use daily, multiple times a day, so mugs are a big part of my home. So if you're similar to me, you go through your mugs a lot, lot, maybe you entertain a lot, getting some extra mugs from the thrift store is always a good idea. I usually have a lot of first-time homeowners watching these videos, so I know this is definitely the place you should be shopping to build your collection of dishes and things for your kitchen. If you're a first-time homeowner, I know you've probably spent so much money already, so shopping at the thrift store will definitely cut costs when building your home. So before you head out anywhere, check out your thrift store and you'll find super cute ones there. So if you're looking for mugs, you may also be looking for some dishes. If you need some extra dishes for your home, the dinnerware section at the thrift store is always so big. People give away full, perfect looking sets of dishes that have bowls, plates, large plates, small plates, mugs, really everything you need to have a complete set at an amazing price. This is a whole IKEA set for $5.99. You can really find an entire set for all under like $10, so it's a really great place to look before you go and spend so much. These are super pretty, simple white plates with a gold border, so they have perfect options that just need to be washed up and then they're perfectly good to go. I also like checking out their serving plates and platters. They have really good deals on beautiful pieces in there. So if you like to bake a lot, maybe you're people that like to entertain, having things like this in your home is always a good idea. If you're starting your collection of home goods, these little things go a really long way. If you're in need of bakeware and pans, the thrift store has so much selection. I found that they had really great cake pan options, which are usually very expensive for kind of a one-time use. If you're planning on making a really fun cake, check out your thrift store and see if yours has these really fun ones that mine does. I found all of these little cute Christmas ones, heart-shaped pans, really just so much character selection as well. So if you're into baking, you could save a lot of money shopping for pans at the thrift store. I've bought these ones brand new before and spent too much money. So this is definitely something I wanted to share with you if you're looking for something like this. A lot of these pans have probably only been used once or twice, so they're always a good buy. Again, kitchen stuff at the thrift store are really easy to get and clean up. There's not much you have to do to them to make them feel brand new again, so it will definitely save you money. I also found this really unique pan. I've never seen anything like this, but how exciting would that be to put some pancakes on? That is so cute. So again, it's always so much fun going into the thrift store, seeing what's there, seeing all the unique things that you don't normally see in mainstream stores. Alright, so I'm back from the thrift store. One thing I will say is that I never got to touch on any furniture pieces today because there was like no furniture selection at the thrift store. I'm not sure why, if people aren't bringing in their big items, if they're not accepting them, not really sure what's happening. But that is always a section that I go to because you can find gorgeous dressers, stools, chairs, like so many different things. But this time there was just no furniture, so didn't touch on any of that. But when the furniture comes back to the thrift stores, definitely check that out if you're looking for any really affordable finds. I ended up picking up some baskets. I know, not a surprise. I always pick up baskets when I'm at the thrift store. I found perfect ones for this new room makeover I'm working on. So I just disinfected everything. Everything's good to go. It's all clean. I picked up this one first because how perfect is this? Either to be hung on a wall as wall art or just using it on top of a dresser to kind of be like a catch-all place. I love the textures. It's working perfectly for the theme that I'm working with on this toddler girl's bedroom. This basket was $2.99, so super great price, and it's in absolute perfect condition. So I could see how someone may not need this in their house anymore, but I need it for the space that I'm working on. So that's what's so much fun about thrifting. I also picked up 3 of these baskets. They are in perfect condition as well. These ones were $2.99, and I just really thought these were great for organizing. Of course, baskets are always great for organizing, but because these are so structured, they would fit really well in a drawer or a cupboard or even just out on display. These always make things look neat, styled, organized, and decorative. So baskets are always a must for me, and the thrift store is literally the best place to find them because they are $2.99. So I really love making these types of videos to share with you all the different products that are out there at an affordable price. I know that decorating your home and really building a home can be a lot of money, but it doesn't have to be. You can really find affordable things at the thrift store and make shopping for your home that much easier. I find it really fun. It's like really exhilarating getting a good deal on things, finding unique products other people don't have, and it really creates an eclectic, lived-in looking home. So I think thrifting is always a good idea, whether on a budget or not. Anyways, let me know down below in the comments what you usually look for at the thrift store and what your best find has ever been. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I have some really great room makeovers coming up that are super exciting, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!